Hello and welcome to an RVS University video. I'm Joe Finlayson, and in this video I'm going to show you how we create thumbnails for our materials or our movie files inside our router quadrant in UX. As you can see, we already have some thumbnails here. This is for the images that are that we use. So our JPEGs and PNGs, it's easy to make a thumbnail out if you just take the one frame that the image is. If you're using a video file, you need to define what part of the video file you'd like to use, and same for a material. You want to make an image of something that kind of makes sense for what you're making. So from the folder structure here, you can see we have our stills, movies, movie thumbnails, and material thumbnails. So what I'll do is just show you quickly how a nice workflow works to keep this neat and tidy and to add your thumbnails. Okay, so if I just jump to where I have hosted my folders here, so in the movie file we have the corresponding video which we'd like to change the thumbnail for. So NAB 19 Voyager, that's this video here. So I've got it open, and what I'm going to do is just select a part in time of the video which represents something nice for the thumbnail to represent. So if I'll just scroll back to here, the end of the video, there we go. It's a nice shot of Cheryl, our presenter here, standing next to the Formula One car. So you can do a Windows screen grab. The Windows Shift and S key works if you're on Windows 10, or you can simply edit and copy if you're using if you're using QuickTime like me here. Okay, so I've just pressed edit and copy, and then I would normally use Photoshop, but in the name of speed I'm just going to jump into Paint here. Okay, so then we'll save as. Okay, so we're going to the movie thumbnails folder. So what we need to do is call it the same name as the video itself. So if I just jump to the movie, I'll do that after. So if we go to movie thumbnails, I'll just save it here. Okay, so if I jump to the movie, I can copy the name of the MPEG-4 here, jump back to our movie thumbnails, and I will change the untitled image that I just saved to the same file name. Okay, so now if I quickly move over to UX here, and if I go to our movie thumbnails, so I'll just delete this and show you this again. So I'm going to add the location where that is stored. So it's in my D drive, and it's on my shared and movie thumbnails. So I'm going to select this as my root folder for the thumbnails, and you can see already that here we go. We have a thumbnail image for our movie, and I'll very quickly just demonstrate this again for use with materials. So it's the same process. Obviously the file name that you need to find will be from the actual software itself from inside UX. So the one I'm changing is called Green Glow, so I'm just going to make a green slate here. So save as, and here we go. So it's material thumbnails this time. So I know this one needs to be called Green Glow. So I'll save that. Okay, and what I'll do here is I can see this is the material I want to relate to, Green Glow. So if I go to our material thumbnails, so again I'll just delete that location and add in our new one, which is shared and material thumbnails. Select folder, and you can see here that now we have a nice green representation for our material, Green Glow. So there you go. That's how we add thumbnails for our sources, and I hope you enjoyed the video. See you on the next one.